my oldest. This is Alexander. Alex is becoming 3 years old next month. Her name is Amelia. She has the best haircut ever. Yay! High five! I've been doing BMF just over 3 years. I joined in 2015 when I first got pregnant with Alex. So BMF was really helpful because there are different levels of classes I could join. As I became more pregnant, I was dropping down from green to red and blue bib and eventually to active. It's still good exercise, but you're more focusing on basic movement and technique. It was 2 days before my expected labor day, and the baby is not coming, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go one last time and see what's gonna happen. And I did the class, and I remember instructor was getting really nervous just in case the baby was gonna pop out when I was doing squats. Did not happen. Came home and I felt a little bit of pain, and then I ended up going to the hospital, and it turned out that I was in labor. And then a few hours later the baby popped out, and I'm looking forward to get back to the class because as I get fitter I can actually move up and follow my progress.
Back down, switch over to the left foot, okay?